5 Best Digital Multimeter. Here is the product number 5. LOMVUM True RMS Multimeter. LOMVUM T18 series multimeters are compact and portable. They are ideal devices for electrician. A, B, C model are manual type, D is auto range, E is smart type which can automatically identify the ACV, DCV, resistance etc. The users with no professional physical knowledge can measure the technical data of electrical appliance easily. Here is the product number 4. BSIDE Digital Multimeter Ultra-Portable. The 3.5-inch large display design leaves an excellent user experience for buyers. The easy-to-use, single-button-to-switch design is well recognized by buyers. The ultra-thin 1.2 cm design is very portable. Provide 2 products to choose from, S7, S9CL. Exquisite appearance, complete functions, can meet the needs of different groups of people. Here is the product number 3. MESTEK Digital Multimeter 6000 counts. Temperature measure and have temperature probe. Auto range, 6000 display counts, AC/DC voltage and current, on/off. Buzzer, diode, capacitance, resistance, temperature, non-contact voltage test, TRMS, backlight/flashlight/1.5V/9V battery measurement, data hold, auto power off. Here is the product number 2. RICHMETERS RM113D NCV Digital Multimeter. Features: large LCD display, max display 6000 count. Backlight. Buzzer. NCV. Voltage measurement. Resistance measurement. Capacitance. L-wire detect. Main measurements: AC/DC voltage, resistance, diode. AC voltage range, 1 volt × 600 volts. Here is the product number 1. ANENG XL830L Digital Multimeter. Features: this heavy-duty general-purpose multimeter features a clear, with blue backlight overload protection on all ranges, housed in a rugged rubber boot with integral stand, low battery voltage. Indication: portable. Compact design, data hold function. Diode test facility, 20-position rotary switch measures AC and DC voltage, DC current, resistance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.